Alright, welcome back guys. Rob from myppctraining.com, and today's video is something pretty cool. It's one of Google's new features that it just rolled out, which is called Optimize for Conversions, but it's for your ads. Okay, it's an ad rotation setting. Now, not all accounts have this ability to use this yet, okay, but it's just getting rolled out, and I'm going to show you where you should be able to find it, and you'll see if you're able to use it or not. Unfortunately, in this account, I'm not able to set it up yet. I'm sure I will be in a week or two. So if we go into a campaign, come up to settings, hit additional settings, ad rotation, you should see it right here. Optimize for conversions, and obviously it's not supported yet in this account, but I'm sure it will be soon. So what you're essentially doing is you're letting Google decide which ads are going to run the most based on which ads have the highest conversions. It's not going to go off click-through rate anymore, okay? If you have this setting set up, it's going to optimize for the ads that get the most conversions, which if you watch any of my click-through rate videos, I always say you optimize for conversion rate, not just click-through rate. All right, so it's really important. So if you guys have this option in your account, it might be something that you want to test, all right? And I say test because proceed with caution with everything Google rolls out. You know how that goes. But this is something that you should definitely test, in my opinion. Let it run and see how it does. As of right now, I would assume that you can see it in your account. If you can't see it, that's okay. It's probably going to be rolled out to you in the next couple days or couple weeks, something like that. This is like a new July feature, so this is pretty cool, and it's definitely exciting to see more learning algorithm type stuff being rolled out by Google to make our job easier, which is great. So that's all I just want to touch on this briefly and just show you guys how to see it. So like I said, as with anything that AdWords rolls out, proceed with caution, but this might be something that you want to test. All right, if you have any questions about Optimize for Conversions, drop them below this video in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel. We're dropping content daily now, so we're going to have a lot of really cool stuff coming out. And what else? Also, check the description out. I put some links in there for you guys, including a couple free guides. Besides that, I'll see you in the next video.